Okay, so I completed the installation, the wax, both sides. I put the isolator from this reproducer on this one so I didn't have two new ones. I've installed the new one on that. I put the Vaseline in between the two. So now it's just to see how they sound. This one already sounds good. We know what it sounds like. You can watch my other videos. I'll be playing Moonlight Bay by Billy Murray, American Quartet. Soft, medium tone needles. So let's see how this one sounds. Okay, close enough. Alright, so now I know what that one sounds like. So let's remove the needle. Let's remove the reproducer. It should come around. It's kind of hard to do one thing here. Alright, set that one down there. Let's grab, now this one's actually the one that came on the machine originally. Let's get this one on here. Hold on one second. Alright, so there it is. Now let's take a new needle. Now, let's see how it sounds like.
days like these remind me of the girl I left behind me down a moonlight bay. We go sailing along on Moonlight Bay. We could hear the voices singing. They seem to say, "You have stolen my heart. Now don't go away." Just as we sang those low sweet songs on Moonlight Bay. Dreaming of the silent shore. Far apart our hearts is yearning with the starlight, returning with the light of love, discerning as we sing from yore. We were sailing along on Moonlight Bay. We could hear the voices ringing. They seemed to say, "You have stolen my heart. Now don't go away." Just as we sang those old sweet songs.
Good enough. We get the idea. Honestly, I have to rewatch the video and see what exactly the difference was, but I didn't really hear much of a difference. I think that was a successful rebuild. I think I'm gonna still use the other one though, just for aesthetic reasons. I'm gonna use two hands to get that off, but just because it's a nicer reproducer. But they sound about the same to me. I'm gonna go back and watch it over and see what happens. I might do a couple more tests like this to see which one sounds better or worse. But here's this record here. I'm gonna do a separate video of just this record, like I do on my other videos. And I also have this on cylinder. I have this exact song with the same group and everything on Edison Blue Amberol. So I'm gonna do when my opera should be in this week, well maybe next week. So I'm gonna use the opera, and then I'm gonna take a video of this, and then we'll see which one, how they differ, the cylinder and 70 RPM records. All right, well, thank you. If you have any questions, don't feel free to comment and ask. I'll do my best to answer them, but take care.